Now we will do the wind relieving pose for liver, stomach related problems. It helps with gas, constipation, acidity, colitis, and chronic issues. Wind relieving pose. Bend both legs. Inhale deeply, then exhale fully. Keep your right side firm and stable. Stay focused like a student. Relax. You can also practice leg raise pose along with this. Keep your back straight and body relaxed. Maintain a warm body temperature. Not too much movement. Very good. This is the leg raise pose for structural strength. It improves digestion and balance. Next, boat pose. Very good. Keep holding the posture. Boat pose. Lift the chest and legs like a boat. Keep your toes pointed. This one is a little challenging. Now bend your right leg. Gently pull the leg and try to touch your nose. Excellent work, everyone. Now switch to the left leg. Very good. Now try with both legs together. Relax. This is highly beneficial for all liver, stomach, and digestive problems.